Hey everyone, what's going on? What's happening? Hope you guys are doing well. Alright, so this is the makeup look I'm doing, you guys, and here's my first fall 2018 makeup look. And this eye look right here, one palette. Just one. I mean, this video is not like a one palette challenge video, but I guess it might as well be because I think I did a pretty good job, you know. I mean, considering how it looks, right? I think I did a pretty good job. So if you want to know how I got this look, my first fall 2018 makeup look, go ahead and sit tight. Don't go anywhere because we're going to get started right away. Alright, so I went ahead and did my brows, my foundation, and my concealer. Normally, I don't really do that, but for this one, I just went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, and my brows. Now I'm taking my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. Gonna pick up my brush and we're just going to just tap that all over just to set everything. And for me, when I use this, I like to use a very small amount. I do not use a lot because too much actually makes my skin look really dry. So the smaller the amount, the better, but a little goes a long way. For the fall look, I feel like the perfect palette for this look, and I know I've used this palette numerous times, but you guys, honestly, I really think it's a great palette. It is the Dominique Latte Palette, and if you guys have not tried this before, I'm telling you, it's worth it. I mean, first of all, when you get it, it's a nice crisp white color, and if I get like a, wet cloth and wipe it down, it's going to be nice and crisp again. But it doesn't bother me. It comes with a nice size mirror, and you guys, you can tell this palette has been loved. I mean, I've hit pan on many of the colors. I mean, it's just, yeah. Alright, so these colors are perfect, I think, for fall, and fall is pretty much here. I mean, the weather is like, it is getting colder, first of all, because today I needed a jacket, and the sun was out, but it was a little bit nippy, so I needed a jacket. So, let's just dive in and start putting on this color. So I'm first going in with the shade Vanilla Cream, and just placing that all over my lid. And you guys, if you hear my boyfriend like screaming or whatever, I believe he's watching Bellator right now, so just ignore that. Hopefully you can't hear it because he is downstairs and I'm upstairs, but I mean, I hear it, so I don't know if the mic is picking it up, whatever. Anyway, so pick up that vanilla cream and just really sweep that all over your lid. This will serve as like a nice base coat for you guys. At least it does for me. And as a matter of fact, it does, highlight some areas, I feel like, nicely, especially underneath your brow bone or underneath your eyebrow. So you have that going on. Next, pick up Caramel on a nice, like, fluffy looking brush like this, and just sweep that back and forth, as everyone calls it, the windshield wiper mode, going from the outer corner and then just sweeping it back, not all the way to the inner corner, but like almost the inner corner. So again, back and forth, windshield wiper. So this caramel is going to serve as a nice like transition type of color. Alright, so next color, pick up some of the Double Shot on a much, condensed brush. It's somewhat fluffy, but it kind of like, it's condensed. Take that and place that like so, focusing it more on the outer half of your lid and somewhat on the outer corner. Now pick up some Cold Brew, and we're going to place that right on top of Double Shot, but not really covering it up. So you should have something like this going on, right? And now we're going to focus on the inner half of our eyelid. So I'm just going to pick up some espresso and just use my fingers to apply that shade like so. And then to really blend the two colors together, use a brush to kind of mesh them together, make it look seamless. So as you can tell, I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my lashes as usual. Just do it the way you like. I just did the usual, like, you know, winged eyeliner look with some wispy lashes. These are by Ardell. Alright, so we're going to finish up the face. I did do the foundation like I mentioned earlier in the beginning. So let's put back some color. I think a nice way to do that is to put on some like bronzer. So I'm going to pick up my Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. And for the face, because the eyes are very, well, not really bold looking, but you know, it is pretty like standout-ish, if you know what I mean. I want to make it so that the face is very like soft and natural looking, a very neutral color. To keep the soft natural look, I think a perfect blush for that is the Milani Romantic Rose, which I picked up earlier this week. Another product I picked up this week is the Wet n Wild, I believe it's their like Zodiac collection, which is this right here. And all these new products, I will be doing a review on it, you know, each individual video. But for now, we shall be picking this up. Oh, and the highlighter from this Wet n Wild Zodiac collection, this one is in the palette or shade, whatever you want to call it, called Air. So apply that just like that. And some of my, a little bit on my nose, like so. Perfect. Alright, so for my lips, I'll be taking the Dose of Color in the shade My Main. It's their Liquid Velvet. And placing that on my lips. I freaking love how this Liquid Velvet feels like on my lips. It feels like a cushion. It feels really soft and puffy, if that makes any sense. If you guys haven't tried this, it's amazing. Alright, so I do want to give my lips a little bit of dimension, so I'm going to add in some shine. I think that will help with giving it dimension. So I'm going to pick up the NYX Lingerie Glitter Lippy. Alright, this is in the shade Butter. You know what? I'm going to even mix it up just a little bit more. Taking the Dose of Color, a Mauve Story, and just kind of tap that in on the outer corner. Okay, so here is my final look for the fall 2018 makeup look. My first fall makeup eye look, I guess, or just makeup look in general. I think I did a pretty good job. Like I said, the Dominique Cosmetic Latte Palette is actually a really good palette to use for the fall, or just honestly all year round. If you notice, the colors in the palette just has really nice shadow colors for everyday and amped up looks. So here we go. Alright, so if you like videos like this, go ahead and click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. That does help me a lot tremendously, and I do greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, click subscribe, tap on the notification bell. That way you are notified when I upload. And what else? I am doing a giveaway, guys, and I know I've been mentioning that over and over on my videos, but you know, that way you guys know that a giveaway is happening. It's coming up very soon, so make sure you have your notification bell turned on. And oh, and the details will be down below in the description box, so go ahead and scroll down, read the description box down below, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, don't forget to click subscribe, watch my latest video here, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!